crates are stamped medical supplies, but they're actually full of highly explosive ion disruptors.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hello, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it.
Oh, goodness, yes. Oh my goodness, look! Chewbacca! Hi, Chewie! What? This isn't. This is my son's. What? Oh my goodness. This way.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture.
Come on.
I'm taking a picture.
Exactly. We gotta take a picture like a silhouette here. Wait. I think we're just gonna do one.
Thanks. All right, where's the table? Oh, okay. The hollow chest.
Hold on, can you take a picture?
Alright, pilot says landing gear, hyperspace jumps boosters, authorized for ship operation credentials. This is left pilot. Have control left to go.
left pilot.
To go left or right to go right.
Control stick left
right
to go
pilot,
left.
push forward. Yes, absolutely.
Today's flight takes
watch
you
the
to the
video.
planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
You already know.
He's coming along with us. Okay, perfect. Oh my goodness. I need to see this door. I need to see this door slide if it slides.
Oh my god, I'm not ready. Who's up and down?
I'm up and down.
Oh my god.
No. Okay.
Okay, where does the engineer sit?
Oh my god.
Right here?
Oh my god.
I'll take the left side.
way.
Time is money.
Oh, time is money. I'm sorry, Doctor.
Shooters, get up here.
You ready? No. You ready? Are you freaking ready for this?
You got your buckle.
Okay, is everybody ready?
Wait, where's
is
the
everybody ready
buttons?
for this? Okay.
Buckle up. Your buttons are to your right.
Hey.
I think.
Alright, so this is trying to get those seatbelts.
Yes.
I guess we're supposed to smash
Go ahead and
buttons.
activate your
Well,
console.
no, when it lights up. When it lights up, you smash them.
Pilot's talking the yellow tax for me.
Oh my
Pilot's
god.
Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and activate those consoles.
Okay, how do we oh god.
Press them up, boys.
Alright!
Alright, the gunners, you guys are going to be choosing automatic.
We're at 100%.
Oh my
Joey,
god.
manual, automatic.
Okay, you ready? We got this, bro.
No, don't do manual. Use the force.
Okay, 100%. Yeah, that's not how the force works! Okay.
100%. What do we do?
And then my engineer here. So I try to
Okay, no. We got this. Okay. Okay.
have a good ride and make some credits for my
May the force be with you.
Here we go!
Okay. You're gonna be the one who takes us off. All right.
Hey,
fly, boy!
All right, fly boy.
What do we do with these buttons?
We gotta follow that.
Press these buttons!
You'd better be faster when we get
Oh,
All right. Bro, go up, go up, go up.
push the flashing button to take off.
All right, flashing button, get off. All right, okay.
Stick to fly right.
Okay.
Oh my god, don't crash!
We're good.
I got you guys on the side! Hey, fix it!
That's right, pull up.
Go shoot that toe!
All right, go down. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my God. Down. Where are we going? Go down. Okay, no, we're good. Okay, we're good. Oh my God.
You guys are making up!
No! Live stream! Oh my God, no! Okay. All right, we're getting the coaxium. All right, go down. Okay, we gotta follow the train.
Fire TIE fighters!
Oh my God, okay.
Guys are protecting the train.
Show me it's green! Shoot it,
Okay, start shooting!
They've locked onto us.
They walked up to us. Evasive action! Pull up! Bro, go down. You got this. Bro, we got this. Go down. Oh my God, we got this.
Guys, we only have 300
We got this. What's going on? Come on, guys. Come on. We're after it. Yeah, we're after it. Oh my God.
That could have been much worse.
Oh my God.
Okay, well,
Oh my God. Okay. We got this. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. That's the coaxium.
we got it!
Excellent.
We got it.
Press the button!
Yes. All right, we're at 72%. We're good.
Let's go!
Okay. All right.
You see, just as I promised.
Okay, we're going. Pull up, bro. We got this. All right, go down a little bit. All right, we got this. Okay, we got it. All right. Okay, we're good. You want to go through there?
Into the center.
Into the center. All right, bro, pull up. Oh my God.
We are good, yes!
All right, we're following the train. We're good. Start pressing. Oh my God, go down, bro. Down. Oh my God.
I think I'll let you tell the world.
Oh my God. Oh shit. To the right.
Don't worry!
Oh my God. Okay, fire missile. Sorry. That was me. Oh my God, what just happened? Let's get out of there! Oh my God, yes! Yeah! Oh my God! Oh shit! Okay, let's go to the left! I'm trying to go to the left! Oh my God!
I got it!
Oh my God! We're out of here! Let's get out of here! Pull it!
Let's go!
Oh my God, yes! Okay!
Oh, not again.
Oh!
We're not done yet!
Pull up! Oh no!
Container of coaxium.
Oh my God!
This will greatly help the resistance.
Oh my God!
We got the coaxium!
And made Chewie proud.
We just did it!
We won!
Now after my modest
Look!
Oh my God.
Look at what we made!
minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon.
Oh shit! That's okay. It's fine.
Oh, 100% though!
There you go. Hey, look! 6,375. That's what's up.
Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker.
Oh.
Fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms.
We're not done!
You see, this happens sometimes
What
when
happens?
you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do.
Okay.
It is not unusual to find a stray species or two
Oh no, you can
clinging
jump
to
in the front.
hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ratha loose in here.
Oh, no.
I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that?
Oh God, where
It's
is it?
right over my cockpit.
Oh my God.
We have to shoot it!
Alright.
Gunners at the ready!
With tentacles, I hate tentacles.
Oh my God, yes.
I hear it.
Well, I'm not opening these
Press the
doors
button,
until
press the
you get
button.
rid of it.
It's red, it's
ready.
Just for the cargo.
Press it, everyone press the button! Press it!
I'm not seeing anything.
Well, can we sell it?
What are we supposed to do?
Anyway, time to disembark, my friend.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Can we sell it? Details.
Oh,
Look at
for details.
Details.
well, here we
Collisions.
go.
900.
I feel
Square.
long as-
Hyperspace. 300.
Accuracy,
Boost.
50.
Power up to 600. There we go.
Oh gosh, we're moving.
All right. I can't even vlog right now. What do you think? What are we all thinking?
I think you like
Time for you to go.
Oh my God.
Don't worry. Payment is on the way. Trust me.
Payment is on the way.
Now we're gonna go explore some more and have some more fun.
And so thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't checked out any of our other Star Wars videos, playlist is right in the link
Check
in the
it out.
description down below. Check
A lot
it
of
out.
good stuff.
Thank you so much for watching this, and we'll see you in the galaxy far, far away. Woo!